This protocol exposes cancer cells in a suspension to brief pulses of fluid shear stress to mimic certain aspects of how metastatic cancer cells are exposed to hemodynamic forces while they are in the circulatory system. It is a relatively simple technique to apply brief pulses of high-level fluid shear stress.
When attempting this protocol, be careful on uncapped needles and do not bend them, as this will change applied fluid shear stress. This procedure may produce aerosols, so use appropriate safety measures.
To begin, release 70 to 90% confluent PC3 cells from the tissue culture dish by aspirating the growth medium and washing the 10 centimeter dish with 5 milliliters of calcium and magnesium free PBS. Then, aspirate the PBS and add 1 milliliter of 0.25% trypsin. Post trypsinization, observe the detachment of the cells under an inverted microscope. To inhibit the trypsin, add 5 milliliters of DMEM F12 medium containing 10% FBS. Next, place the cell suspension into a conical tube and determine the cell concentration and total cell number. Centrifuge the cell suspension at 300 times G for 3 minutes, then aspirate the supernatant and resuspend the pellet in a serum-free tissue culture medium. Cut a round bottom of 14 milliliter polystyrene tube at the 7 milliliter line and place the mixed cell suspension into the cut tube. Separately collect static control samples of cells before